All right, let's work out a Charles law problem. When you see Charles law, usually it looks like this. V1 over V2 equals T1 over T2, okay? But I've rearranged the formula here because y'all are terrible at cross multiplying. All right, so again, let's pick out our variables. So a sample of oxygen or nitrogen occupies a volume of 240 mils. So there's V1 at 300 or 35 degrees Celsius, which there's T1. What volume will it occupy at 95 degrees Celsius, which is T2? Okay, so what we don't know is V2. All right, and again, anytime we're working with temperatures in our gas laws, we need to change them to Kelvin. So before you do anything else, we're going to change everything to Kelvin. So we've got T1 is 273 plus 35, and T2 will be 273 plus 95. Okay, let's do our math and get that. So we got 273 plus 35. That's 308, and then we got 273 plus 95, and that's 368. So we got 308 and 368. Okay, now we're ready to plug in our numbers. So we've got V1 times T2, watch that right there because that's where the mistakes always happen, equals V2 times T1. So this V1 is 240 mils times T2, which we know is 368, equals V2 because we don't know that one, times T1, which is 308 Kelvin. Okay, so just like in Boyle's law, we're going to multiply and divide by the other side. So here, I want to get rid of this 308 because I want to put V2 by itself. I've kind of run out of room here, but I'm going to divide both sides by 308. Okay, so this cancels out. So V2 is going to equal whatever this is. So we'll have on one side, we're going to have, remember, hit Control Divide. We're going to have 240 times 368, and then on the bottom we'll have 308, Control Enter, and there is our answer. We've got 286.753, so we're just going to round that off to 2 decimal places, which will be 286.75. This is milliliters because what happens? Kelvin canceled each other out, and I'll be left with milliliters. So there's our answer. Make sure to show your work. Circle your answer so I can find it. If you're stuck on anything, let me know.